this video I'm going to be showing you one of the greatest features from OneDrive, which is a file history, and that can save your life sometimes. So I have here a folder that is synced with my OneDrive, as you can see here, status. So these files are available online but on my computer temporarily. So if I click on one of the files, you're going to see version history, and that's going to be the times that you have saved the file in the past, so you can go back to a time in the past. So if you click on version history, and all these are versions that are kept within your OneDrive. As you can see here, the initial file was created on the 20th of January, and it's going to be keeping histories like this of files. If I open a different file here, for example, click on version history, you can see when some other versions. Another feature that we could be using is Autosave, and that's gonna automatically save your files for you, and that can be useful to avoid lost data. But on OneDrive we have the history that also helps prevent loss of data, but you can have these as an additional preference for you to prevent. So just turn it on. It's going to ask you to sign in. How do you want Autosave? Let's say you want to use this account, and Autosave is now set to on. So as you work on your document, every time you make a change, the document will be automatically saved, and that's very good, but sometimes that's not what you want, so just turn it off if you don't want that. And that's some of the main features on OneDrive: file history and Autosave.